Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're dealing with the E20 error on your Haier dishwasher from 2025, you're in the right place. This pesky error code typically signals a problem with the water inlet system, which can halt your dishwasher mid-cycle and leave you with a pile of dirty dishes. Don't worry, I'll walk you through everything step by step so you can get your appliance up and running in no time. First off, let's understand what the E20 error means. In Haier dishwashers, E20 usually indicates an issue with water flow, like the machine isn't getting enough water or there's a blockage. This could be caused by a kinked inlet hose, a clogged filter, low water pressure from your home supply, or even a faulty valve. Identifying the root cause is key to fixing it quickly. Before you start, always unplug your dishwasher and turn off the water supply for safety. Now, let's dive into troubleshooting. Step 1. Check the inlet hose. Make sure it's not bent or twisted and that it's securely connected to both the dishwasher and the water tap. If it's kinked, straighten it out and see if the error clears. Step 2. Inspect and clean the filter. Over time, food particles and debris can build up, blocking water flow. Locate the filter at the bottom of your dishwasher, remove it, rinse it under running water, and put it back. Run a test cycle to check if the error persists. Step 3. Verify your home's water pressure. If it's too low, the dishwasher might not fill properly. You can test this by running water from the tap. It should be strong and steady. If not, you might need to contact a plumber. If these steps don't resolve the issue, try resetting your dishwasher. Turn it off, wait a few minutes, and turn it back on. Still no luck? It could be a more serious problem like a defective water inlet valve, and in that case, it's best to call a professional technician. To prevent the E20 error in the future, make it a habit to regularly clean your dishwasher and check hoses for any issues. That way, you'll keep your appliance running smoothly and avoid unexpected breakdowns. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more home appliance tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. See you next time.